Learn English with Stranger Things. Let's go. Upside down. Upside down. The upside down looks like a dark and creepy version of our world. The upside down looks like a dark and creepy version of our world. Demogorgon. Demogorgon. The Demogorgon appeared suddenly and terrified everyone. The Demogorgon appeared suddenly and terrified everyone. Mind Flayer. Mind Flayer. The Mind Flayer wants to control every living thing. The Mind Flayer wants to control every living thing. Telekinesis. Telekinesis. 11 uses telekinesis to protect her friends. 11 uses telekinesis to protect her friends. Escape. Escape. They tried to escape from the Hawkins lab. They tried to escape from the Hawkins lab. Mysterious. Mysterious. Something mysterious was happening in the town. Something mysterious was happening in the town. Disappear. Disappear. People started to disappear without any explanation. People started to disappear without any explanation. Friendships. Friendships. The show teaches us how strong real friendships can be. The show teaches us how strong real friendships can be. Strange. Strange. They noticed something strange in the forest. They noticed something strange in the forest. Fearless. Fearless. 11 is fearless when it comes to fighting monsters. 11 is fearless when it comes to fighting monsters. Trust. Trust. Mike always trusts 11 no matter what. Mike always trusts 11 no matter what. Dangerous. Dangerous. They walked into a dangerous situation. They walked into a dangerous situation. Curiosity. Curiosity. The boys' curiosity led them into an adventure. The boys' curiosity led them into an adventure. Investigation. Investigation. They started an investigation to find the missing boy. They started an investigation to find the missing boy. Brave. Brave. Max proved she was brave in every tough moment. Max proved she was brave in every tough moment. Portal. Portal. They found a hidden portal to another dimension. They found a hidden portal to another dimension. Protect. Protect. They promised to protect each other. They promised to protect each other. Nightmare. Nightmare. The creatures looked like something from a nightmare. The creatures looked like something from a nightmare. Rescue. Rescue. They did everything they could to rescue Will. They did everything they could to rescue Will. Secret. Secret. Hawkins' lab was hiding a big secret. Hawkins' lab was hiding a big secret. Power. Power. 11's power grows stronger every season. 11's power grows stronger every season. Shadow. Shadow. They saw a huge shadow moving across the sky. They saw a huge shadow moving across the sky. Warning. Warning. They ignored the warning signs and kept exploring. They ignored the warning signs and kept exploring. Terrifying. Terrifying. The monster made a terrifying noise. The monster made a terrifying noise. Connection. Connection. 11 has a strange connection to the upside down. 11 has a strange connection to the upside down. Survive. Survive. They had to fight to survive. They had to fight to survive. Explore. Explore. They explored the dark tunnels under the town. They explored the dark tunnels under the town. Strange signals. Strange signals. They picked up strange signals on their walkie-talkies. They picked up strange signals on their walkie-talkies. Teamwork. Teamwork. With teamwork, they defeated the monster. With teamwork, they defeated the monster. Fight back. Fight back. They decided to fight back instead of running away. They decided to fight back instead of running away.